Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. The Department of Health Research and ICMR hosted a 2-day regional meeting at which venue? Sushma Swaraj Bhavan. Which of the following is a centrally sponsored scheme under Ministry of Food Processing Industries? PMFME scheme. The extended due date for filing GSTR 3B was recently given to taxpayers of which state? Maharashtra. The Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA, imposed 10 lakh rupees penalty on which company for misleading advertisement? Rapido. Which organization urged the Government of India to rationalize GST in tourism and hospitality sector to 5%? FRI. The Breaking Barrier Fellowship, August 2025, was launched by DEPWD and Nipman Foundation in collaboration with which entity? Young Leaders for Active Citizens. What is the total outlay of PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana? ₹99,446 crore rupees. The Government of India has extended the fortified rice scheme till which year? (2028). In which year was NABARD established? 1982. The NABARD Act was passed in which year? 1981. NABARD functions under which ministry? Ministry of Finance. Where is the headquarters of NABARD located? Mumbai. Who owns NABARD? Government of India. Which of the following is not a function of NABARD? Acting as Central Bank of India. NABARD supervises which institutions? Regional rural banks and cooperative banks. How much refund was facilitated by National Consumer Helpline in July 2025? ₹2.72 crore. Which sector recorded the highest grievances in July 2025? E-commerce. Which sector was at second place in grievances after e-commerce? Travel and tourism. National Consumer Helpline is operated under which ministry? Ministry of Consumer Affairs. WhatsApp grievances increased from 3% in 2015 to how much in 2024? %20. Operation Weed Out was launched by which department? DRI. Under Operation Weed Out, illegal weed worth how much was seized? ₹72 crore. In which cities was the seizure under Operation Weed Out reported? Bengaluru and Bhopal. PNB recently signed MoU for the Rakshak Plus scheme with which security force? CRPF. The MoU between PNB and CRPF was signed in which city? New Delhi. What is the full form of NPA? Non-performing asset. Which type of institution helps banks resolve or sell NPA accounts? Asset Reconstruction Company, ARC. Whether an ARC is government or private depends on what? Who has invested in it? Recently, who has been appointed as a new member of RBI's MPC? Indranil Bhattacharya. Indranil Bhattacharya replaced which member in MPC? Rajiv Ranjan. How many members are there in the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee? 6. How many members in MPC are from RBI and how many are nominated by the central government? 3 RBI, 3 government. MPC is constituted under which act? RBI Act, 1934, Section 45 ZB. Recently, Niti Aayog released which report? Rethinking Homestays, Navigating Policy Pathways. Who is the current Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Suman Berry. What is the full form of BNB? Bed and breakfast. The main purpose of a homestay is? providing local accommodation and cultural experience to travelers. Recently, India and Brazil are strengthening cooperation in which sector? Oil trade. The USA recently imposed how much tariff on India and Brazil? 50%. India and Brazil are both members of which international group? BRICS. India is the largest producer of which natural fiber crop? Jute. Which country is the largest exporter of jute products in the world? Bangladesh. Jute requires which type of climate? Hot and humid. The ideal temperature range for jute cultivation is? (25–35°C). The annual rainfall required for successful jute cultivation is about? (150 to 250 cm). Ganga Brahmaputra Plain. West Bengal. Stick. Tianjin. Shanghai 5. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.